safe mode was created to help users who are more technically savvy diagnose and, ideally, repair any issues they were having with their phones. Although it's possible to accidentally enter safe mode, it's also possible for your phone to be booted into safe mode by a software flaw, although that is more of a rare occurrence. It's possible to accidentally activate safe mode on Android, but it's quite difficult to break out of the loop Android puts you in. To help you get out of safe mode once and for all, we're going to teach you exactly what you need to do. A soft reset is a means of resetting your smartphone without erasing any data that is included in most smartphones. It's as simple as pressing and holding down the power button and a volume down key at the same time. This should pull your phone out of safe mode, clear your cache, and perform other under-the-hood things to speed it up. If your phone has a removable battery pack, you can get out of safe mode by removing the battery. The phone will be turned off as a result of this action, without a doubt. However, it may also be used as a reset option. Hopefully, you'll be able to go back into the usual Android system once you put the battery back in. To be clear, you can only take the battery out of a few phones right now, and they are largely LG branded devices. Your phone may have a problem if it won't boot out of safe mode. However, we'll need to investigate more. Make a mental note of the programs you recently installed around the time the issue first appeared. Disable the programs that are now running on your mobile. The process of uninstalling programs in safe mode might be a bit more complicated in certain phones. Holding down on an app on the home screen would not allow for its removal. Select the program you wish to remove from Settings, Apps, then tap Uninstall to complete the process. Immediately after the app is removed, restart your phone, either manually or using the soft reset method. In the end, a factory reset may be the only option. Unfortunately, if you haven't been able to exit safe mode using any of the earlier methods, there's a problem with the computer itself. Malware or a virus may have infiltrated your phone's system and corrupted the operating system. For this reason, and to prevent your data from being compromised, Android has detected an issue and is keeping you in safe mode. You will need to reinstall all of your programs after a factory reset, as there is no method to save data in safe mode. All of your photos, videos, documents, and more will be wiped off your device. However, this is the only method to reclaim your phone. You'll then need to go to Settings and choose Reset to Factory Settings, depending on the manufacturer. The naming method may change, but the procedure is the same across all phones, and it can be found in the Settings app. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.